Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can delete your Instagram account from someone else's phone, and it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you want to do is go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in on your device from the account you want to delete from others, and you want to simply go ahead and click on the bottom right of your screen, which is going to be your profile icon, and simply tap on the top right, which is going to be the triple line icon. And now finally go ahead and tap on the settings. Once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on security settings and simply tap on password, and go ahead and enter your current password on top, your new password that you want to make in the middle, and then your new password again just for you to go ahead and confirm your new password. With that being done, you want to tap on the top right tick icon, and then once you have done that, your account's password is going to change, which simply means that your other devices that are logged in into your account which doesn't have password is going to be logged out. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.